Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today we're taking a look at one of the most breathtaking luxury motorhome concepts ever imagined. The 2027 Bugatti Motorhome is a bold vision that blends the unmistakable prestige of Bugatti with the comfort, technology, and spaciousness of an ultra-premium motorhome. If this incredible concept were ever to become reality, it could easily rank among the world's most expensive recreational vehicles. Offering an unmatched combination of performance-inspired engineering and five-star luxury living. From the very first glance, the exterior makes an unforgettable impression. Rather than following the traditional box-shaped design of most RVs, the 2027 Bugatti Motorhome features an elegant, aerodynamic silhouette inspired by the flowing curves of Bugatti's legendary hypercars. Every line has been sculpted to reduce drag, while creating a commanding road presence that looks futuristic from every angle. The front fascia showcases an illuminated interpretation of Bugatti's famous horseshoe grille, instantly identifying the vehicle even from a distance. Ultra-slim matrix-LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, giving the motorhome an aggressive yet sophisticated appearance. Massive air channels integrated into the front bumper improve airflow while enhancing the overall design. Moving along the side, the streamlined bodywork features seamless panels with hidden storage compartments and flush-mounted doors. Panoramic smart glass windows extend nearly the full length of the motorhome, flooding the cabin with natural light while allowing occupants to adjust privacy levels electronically. Carbon fiber trim accents and polished aluminum details reinforce the premium character. One of the most remarkable exterior innovations is the expandable living architecture. When parked, multiple slide-out sections extend automatically, dramatically increasing the available living space. At the same time, a retractable rooftop sky lounge rises into position, creating an elevated entertainment area complete with luxury seating, ambient lighting, and panoramic views. Whether overlooking mountain scenery, a lakeside retreat, or a coastal sunset, the rooftop becomes a spectacular place to relax. The rear design is equally dramatic. A full-width LED light bar flows across the tailgate, surrounding illuminated Bugatti lettering. Active aerodynamic elements adjust automatically depending on speed, helping optimize efficiency and stability during long-distance travel. Stepping inside reveals an environment unlike any conventional motorhome. The interior combines French-inspired luxury with cutting-edge technology to create a space that feels more like a private penthouse than an RV. Premium leather upholstery, handcrafted wood veneers, polished aluminum accents, crystal-inspired controls, and exposed carbon fiber trim create an atmosphere of refined elegance. The main lounge area is exceptionally spacious, thanks to the expandable floor plan. Plush reclining captain's chairs feature heating, ventilation, massage functions, and fully adjustable memory settings. A transparent OLED entertainment display rises silently from a concealed cabinet, transforming the lounge into a private cinema. When not in use, the display disappears completely, preserving the clean and minimalist design. A premium surround sound audio system delivers concert-quality sound throughout the cabin. Intelligent ambient lighting automatically adjusts according to the time of day, while the panoramic glass roof fills the interior with natural light during daylight hours and offers incredible nighttime views of the stars. The kitchen continues the luxury theme with exceptional attention to detail. Premium stone countertops, handcrafted cabinetry, hidden storage compartments, and integrated lighting create a sophisticated atmosphere. The fully equipped kitchen includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, espresso machine, wine cooler, dishwasher, and touch-sensitive control surfaces that make meal preparation both elegant and convenient. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area comfortably accommodates family or guests. Large panoramic windows create a bright and relaxing environment, making every meal feel like a luxury dining experience. Moving toward the rear, the master suite becomes a private sanctuary. A king-size floating bed occupies the center of the room, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting and panoramic smart glass walls. During the day, passengers can wake up to breathtaking scenery. At night, the glass becomes fully opaque to ensure complete privacy. Luxury continues with premium wardrobes, integrated storage solutions, wireless charging stations, personal entertainment screens, and independent climate control systems. Every detail has been designed to maximize comfort during extended journeys. The bathroom rivals those found in luxury hotels. Heated stone flooring, a spacious rainfall shower, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water purification systems provide a spa-like experience. Intelligent water recycling technology allows the motorhome to remain self-sufficient during extended off-grid adventures. Performance is equally impressive. Although this is a concept vehicle, it envisions a next-generation hybrid electric drivetrain inspired by Bugatti's engineering philosophy. A powerful twin-turbocharged engine paired with multiple high-output electric motors could deliver well over 1,500 horsepower, while providing remarkable smoothness and efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously distributes power to maximize stability and traction. Instant electric torque ensures effortless acceleration, while advanced energy management systems optimize performance and battery efficiency during long-distance travel. An adaptive air suspension constantly analyzes road conditions and automatically adjusts ride height and damping. Even rough highways and uneven terrain are transformed into smooth, comfortable journeys, preserving the quiet luxury expected from a vehicle of this caliber. Technology plays a central role throughout the driving experience. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, collision avoidance technology, blind spot monitoring, night vision cameras, and a comprehensive 360-degree camera network provide exceptional confidence behind the wheel. The driver's cockpit features a panoramic curved digital display extending across the dashboard. Navigation, vehicle diagnostics, energy management, entertainment controls, and driving information are presented through an intuitive interface designed for effortless operation. Artificial intelligence enhances every journey by learning passenger preferences over time. Voice commands allow occupants to control lighting, climate settings, entertainment systems, security features, and even adjust seating positions without touching a button. Connectivity is equally advanced. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, cloud-based vehicle monitoring, smart home integration, wireless device charging, and remote vehicle management transform the Bugatti Motorhome into a fully connected luxury residence that can travel virtually anywhere. Now let's discuss pricing. As expected, exclusivity comes with an extraordinary cost. If such a vehicle were ever produced, industry observers would likely expect a starting price somewhere around $5 million. Bespoke versions featuring handcrafted interiors, rare materials, exclusive artwork, personalized layouts, and unique engineering solutions could potentially exceed $12 million, placing the concept among the most expensive motorhomes ever imagined. The 2027 Bugatti Motorhome represents an extraordinary vision of what luxury travel could become. It combines hypercar-inspired styling, revolutionary engineering, intelligent technology, world-class craftsmanship, and uncompromising comfort into a single rolling masterpiece. For travelers who believe every journey should be as extraordinary as the destination itself, this remarkable concept proves that the future of luxury motorhomes has no limits. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.